Welcome to WealthNex, the channel where we break down the real truths about money, wealth, and financial freedom. If you're tired of hearing bad financial advice, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because today's video will change the way you look at money. The topic? Skipping your daily coffee won't make you wealthy. Let's get into it. You've probably heard it before. If you stop buying that $5 latte every day, you'll save thousands and become rich. But here's the truth, skipping your coffee won't magically turn you into a millionaire. It's not your latte that's keeping you broke, it's something much bigger. Let me explain. Number 1, small savings don't equal big wealth. Sure, saving $5 a day might give you $1,800 a year. That's great, but does $1,800 make you wealthy? Not even close. Wealth comes from bigger strategies, investing, creating income streams, and managing major expenses, not just cutting small pleasures. Number 2, focus on big wins, not tiny sacrifices. Rich people don't stress over coffee. They focus on the big numbers. Housing, transportation, debt, and income growth are the areas that make or break financial success. Cutting out coffee but ignoring your credit card debt or overspending on rent? That's like fixing a leak while your whole roof is collapsing. Number 3, the latte isn't the enemy. Lifestyle creep is the real problem. Isn't coffee, it's lifestyle creep. When people make more money, they spend more on everything. Bigger homes, nicer cars, endless subscriptions. Rich people avoid lifestyle creep. They keep living below their means and invest the difference. Number 4, income is more important than penny pinching. You'll never save your way to wealth by cutting every small joy. Instead, focus on increasing your income through side hustles, skills, investments, or entrepreneurship. A $10,000 raise or a new business deal makes a far bigger impact than skipping 200 cups of coffee. Number 5, small habits do matter, but only when directed toward growth. Now, don't get me wrong, habits matter. But instead of obsessing over skipping coffee, develop habits that build wealth: automatic investing, budgeting wisely, and paying yourself first. Those are the habits that actually create financial freedom. So, let's clear this up once and for all. Your daily coffee isn't the reason you're not rich. The real reasons are poor financial planning, lack of investing, and ignoring the big financial decisions that shape your future. If you love your latte, drink it. Just make sure you're also building assets, controlling big expenses, and growing your income. That's the real path to wealth. Thanks for watching WealthNex. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button and share it with someone who's been blaming coffee for their financial struggles. I'd love to hear from you. Do you think small sacrifices like coffee really matter? Or should we all focus on bigger money moves? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful financial insights. Until next time, keep growing, keep building, and keep chasing financial freedom.